Every player starts with one resource token. You gain additional resource tokens by spending your action ending on a population tile. You may spend those resource tokens on stuff that your class may have, or if specified, or otherwise you may spend those to roll an additional die during certain events. For example, you can roll an additional die when rolling at the start of your turn, and you may also spend 2 additional die for any event-specific rolls. Next, we will end it with talking about blackouts. Blackouts are the most important and hardest part of the game. At the start of each round, the first player rolls a d6. The number on the die correlates to the player that rolls the d20 to see if they have a blackout on their light token. If there is less than the players are numbered 1, 2, and continuing going counterclockwise, each number increasing by 1. If there is less than 6 players, then simply re-roll the die if there is a number that doesn't have it. After you've rolled that die, that player rolls a d20. If the number corresponds to the number on the turn tracker, which looks exactly the same. They position it how they want to match up with the orientation of their own home tile. And if the number rolled is a 20, then they simply re-roll the die, or if the number matches a light tile, there is a blackout. A blackout happens when it is a light tile and all surrounding tiles around the light are flipped over. At the start of that next player's turn, they roll a d6, starting with 1 at the top, choosing of their own choice, and going clockwise, increasing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If they hit a tile that is flipped over when a blackout happens, then that tile is eliminated from the game and no longer being allowed to be used. Thank you so much for watching our video on Blackout, and I hope you have a great time playing it.